Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how direct proofs provide a reliable framework for moving from established facts to certain conclusions, and why mastering them is indispensable for higher mathematics. In mathematics, a direct proof is the most straightforward way to establish the truth of a statement. We begin with known definitions, axioms, or previously proven results, and proceed step by step until we reach the conclusion we want to demonstrate. Each step must follow logically and unambiguously from the one before it. Direct proofs are more than just exercises in logic. They are the foundation of rigorous reasoning. They train us to articulate every inference clearly, to avoid hidden assumptions, and to ensure that our arguments are watertight. A direct proof is a logical argument that begins with known assumptions and proceeds, step by step, to reach a conclusion using established rules of inference. Each step must be justified, either by a definition, a theorem, or a previously proven result. The strength of a direct proof lies in its clarity and rigor. Every link in the chain of reasoning is explicit and verifiable. This method is indispensable. It emphasizes logical progression, ensuring that no gaps or hidden assumptions undermine the argument. By practicing direct proofs, we sharpen our ability to communicate mathematical reasoning with precision, which is essential for advanced research and teaching. In essence, a direct proof is the purest form of mathematical reasoning, starting from what we know, and through disciplined logic, arriving at what must be true. Every direct proof follows a disciplined progression. We begin by assuming the hypothesis is true. This step sets the foundation. It tells us exactly what we are working with. Next, we apply definitions, axioms, and previously established results. This is where the logical machinery of mathematics operates, ensuring that each step is justified and connected. Finally, we conclude by deriving the statement we set out to prove. The conclusion must follow inevitably from the assumptions and applications, leaving no gaps or shortcuts. This structured approach is what makes direct proofs reliable. By adhering to the sequence of assume, apply, and conclude, we guarantee that our reasoning is transparent, rigorous, and persuasive. This discipline is non-negotiable, and it is the hallmark of sound mathematical argumentation. Let's look at a simple but powerful example of a direct proof. The statement is, if n is an even integer, then n squared is also even. We begin by assuming n is even. By definition, this means n is equal to 2k for some integer k. Next, we compute. N squared is equal to 2k squared, which is equal to 4k squared. Expressing it in factored form, we get 2 times 2k squared. Notice how the algebra naturally reveals a factor of 2. Since 2k squared is itself an integer, hence we conclude that n squared is even. The key move here is rewriting the assumption using the definition of even numbers, and then factoring to expose the structure. This illustrates the essence of direct proof. Start from the hypothesis, apply definitions and algebraic rules, and arrive at the conclusion with no gaps. Even though this example is elementary, the same disciplined reasoning applies to far more complex proofs in advanced mathematics. Let's examine 2 more direct proofs that highlight fundamental properties of mathematics. First, consider inequalities. Suppose A is greater than B, and B is greater than C. By the transitivity of inequality, it follows immediately that A is greater than C. This proof is short, but it demonstrates how direct reasoning relies on established properties. Here, the transitive law is to move from assumptions to conclusion. Second, consider divisibility. If n is divisible by 6, then n is equal to 6k for some integer k. We can rewrite this as n is equal to 3 times 2k. Since 2k is an integer, we conclude that n is divisible by 3. Again, the proof is straightforward. Start with the definition of divisibility. Apply algebraic manipulation, and arrive at the conclusion. Both examples show how direct proofs emphasize clarity and logical progression. Whether the argument is brief or more involved, the discipline of assume, apply, and conclude remains the same. Let's conclude with the key takeaways for direct proofs. First, always start with assumptions. Clearly state the hypothesis you are working with to ensure that your reasoning has a solid foundation. Second, use definitions. Rewriting terms in their formal definitions often unlocks the structure of the problem and makes the path to the conclusion visible. Third, proceed with logical steps. Each step must follow directly from the last with no leaps or hidden assumptions. Direct proofs may seem straightforward, but their power lies in their rigor. By practicing this disciplined approach, such as assume, apply, and conclude, you develop the precision and clarity that advanced mathematics demands. This foundation will serve you well as you move into more complex proof techniques and deeper theoretical work. That brings us to the end of our discussion on direct proofs in mathematics. We've seen how assumptions, definitions, and logical steps come together to form rigorous arguments, which is the very foundation of advanced mathematical reasoning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see more examples or deeper explorations, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.